What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with the Housemate Investing channel. In today's video, we're going to go over some price movements in the crypto space, as well as we're going to go over some deposits I made today and about 25, 26 or so stocks that I just bought. If you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to continue to follow my journey. Hit the description below to read about what this channel is all about. Hit those affiliate links for free shares, free cash, and hit any of my social media platforms down below, as I do post on those 7 days a week regarding stocks and crypto. So let's jump into it. As you can see, starting off here, we got a Bitcoin in the Webull account. We're up $12.18. It was up 15.61%. This is a $78 investment now, worth $90.18. We bought in around 40. Our average cost is around 48,000. Bitcoins are currently around 55,000. As you can see, we bought a little bit, 3 times in February, twice in March. $37, $4, $8, $12, $17. So as you can see, I'm just buying a little bit at a time every week or so. Then we got some Ethereum in the Webull account. I am up $8.51. It is up 10.92%. This is a $78 investment now, worth $86.51. We paid around $1,700, $1,700. Ethereum's currently around $1,900 at the moment. Same as Bitcoin. Bought a little bit in February, a little bit in March. Just a little bit here and there, just adding it up. Then we got some movement in the eToro app. We got Dash DASH. It is at $239.94 per coin. It was up 14.96% on the day, up $31.22. Put in $50. It's now valued at $56.32. We are up 12.63%. Total dollar gain of $6.32. Then in the crypto.com portfolio, we got Binance coin BNB. We got 8% of a coin. It is valued at $24.73. Then we got Polkadot DOT. We got 65% of a coin. It is valued at $24.69. Then in the Coinbase app, portfolio is valued at $616.67. This here is Bitcoin. It is valued at $39.14. You can look here at the bottom and see my purchases just a little bit at a time, as you will see that with any coin that I'm into. Then we got Zcash, ZEC. We got about a quarter of a coin. It's valued at $34.62. We got Ethereum Classic, ETC. We got about 2 3/4 of a coin. It's valued at $34.13. Then this would be just some of the holdings that I have, which is some of the coins that I have. Dash, of course, OMG Network, Wrap Bitcoin, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, DAI, which on DAI I do earn a 2% APY for staking DAI on Coinbase. Then we got AAVE, and we got the graph. You look over to the right, you can see their values. You can see exactly how many coins I've owned of each. Stellar, we have 74 coins, so that would be the ones that I have the most coins on. And of course, at the moment, Dash is the most valuable out of these coins. Then we got Atom. This one is valued at $16.54. We got 81% of a coin, and we do earn 5% APY for staking Atom. Then we're going to get into the stock purchases I made today. This is in the stash account. We bought BLD Top Builder Corp. We put $12 of it, so this is a fractional share. These are all going to be long-term investments as well. Then we bought Madison Square Garden, $13 worth. Ticker MSGS. Madison Square Garden is going to do very well this year as the economy is going to open back up. People, on average, looking at statistics, have a lot more money saved up than they usually do. So a lot of people are going to be spending that money on vacationing, going to sporting events, things of that nature. And they're going to be, in my opinion, looking for a higher level of entertainment than just your regular stuff you would do every day. Like, going down to Dave & Buster's or something, they'll probably be like, well, let's go to a basketball game. Let's go to a concert. And Madison Square Garden is probably one of the most famous arenas in the United States. So, they hold a lot of events. I think it's something that's going to do very well here in 2021. Then we purchased we deposited $29 into the stash account. Then we went ahead and purchased $14 of American Tower AMT. Very great dividend stock. I suggest you do your due diligence and look into this one. This is a great stock for some passive income. Then Global Payments, GPN, put in $15 on that one. Then in the Webull account, we deposited $29. Deposited $29 into the Vanguard account. Deposited $29 into Robinhood. Then in the Stash IRA, which is the retirement account, we made some long-term purchases. We purchased $1 of McDonald's, ticker MCD. Everybody knows about McDonald's. Very profitable company, household name. Not only are they a food chain, but they're actually a real estate company as well. So look into that if you don't know about that. Then we bought $2 of Illinois Toolworks, ticker ITW. This is going to make a lot of money this year as well as the economy's been opening up. People are going to get back to work. These tools and the products that they sell, a lot of people are going to buy and continue to buy, and they have been buying. As well as this is another great passive income play, a great dividend play, as well as McDonald's is as well. Two great dividend plays. Then we got Salesforce, ticker CRM. Put $3 into that one. Great stock as well. Put $4 into Union Pacific, UNP. This is the railroad service. Super profitable business. Then we put $5 into ticker VP. This is a ETF. On Stash, they call it small but mighty, and it focuses more on the smaller businesses like in the Russell 2000. And it's actually a Vanguard fund. Then we put $6 into Vertex Pharmaceuticals, VRTX. Pharmaceuticals are very hot right now. They typically can be very volatile, but with the state of what's going on now, these companies are very, very profitable at the moment. Then we put $7 into GW Pharmaceuticals, another pharmaceutical companies, GWPH. Then we put $8 into Internet Titans. This is a Fidelity fund, ticker VDN. Like I said, again, Stash just has their own unique names for these funds. They're not actually the names of them, like Internet Titans. It's just a Fidelity fund focused on, e-commerce and fintech and stuff like that. Then we put $9 into VO. This is a middle market. This is what they call it, middle market. VO is the Vanguard fund, focused more on the Russell 1000. Then we put $10 into OKTA. Then we went ahead and deposited $29 into the retirement account. Went ahead and purchased $11 worth of ticker CACI. This is CACI International. Put $12 into IWM, which is an iShares Russell 2000 ETF. Love ETFs. They give you a lot of diversification, low volatility, and then you get them from great funds like Vanguard, Fidelity, iShares. These are dependable funds that you can depend on to give you a great ETF. Like this one, for instance, is going to focus and give you the best businesses out of the Russell 2000. So you get a bundle of these guys for a one set amount. Then we put $29 into the Webull account. Then we went ahead and deposited $2,550 into the Webull account. We went ahead and purchased one share of Disney in the Webull account. Strike price is $197.52. Disney is a very, very great company, great dividend company, very profitable. The streaming service has really changed the game for these guys, and they were already profitable. Do your research, look at all the networks that Disney actually owns, and I guarantee you it's a lot of the channels that you watch daily or that you've seen that Disney actually has their hands in, as well as the parks and stuff are starting to open back up. It is limited capacity, but it's still going to be profitable. So keep that in mind. Disney is a very great long-term play, so we bought a share there. Then we bought a share of MGK, which is another ETF. We bought one share of VTI, which is the Vanguard ETF. MGK, we paid strike price was about 200. VTI strike price was 203.32. Then we bought 1 share of Honeywell, ticker HOM. Strike price was 207.53. Honeywell is a very great company as well. Then we went ahead and purchased 1 share of DocuSign, ticker DOCU. Strike price is about 215. Well, that's the range. Okay. So we put about, strike prices for us is about 216.69. It can be anywhere from 215 to 217.99. As you can see at the bottom, that's as much as it might fluctuate. And then you got the pre-market price. But anyway, DocuSign's been really beaten down here lately with the tech stocks. So it's definitely a great price point. Definitely a great long-term play. Then we bought 1 share of OIH. Strike price is about 216.35. Then we went ahead and bought 1 share of IWB, which is iShares ETF, for about 219.31. Then we bought 1 share of Visa at 221.65. Visa, very profitable company. It's probably the best card service out of there. I like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, so forth. Visa is the best one in my opinion. Pay a great dividend, a great dividend, long-term dividend company. Very super profitable. I suggest you to go look at the balance sheets if you don't know. Then we purchased 1 share of VHT at about 226. We deposited another $30 into Webull. We deposited $4,335 into the Robinhood account. And then we bought 1 share of OIH. Put $130 in it. Bought about 60% of a share. Strike price was $216.35. And I think I double bought that one. OIH here in Webull. Yeah, so I need to go cancel that transaction. I don't know how that happened. OIH. So you guys can see me live, buy and sell real quickly. Yeah, I don't know how I bought 2 of those. Well, skip past it. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and cancel this. And we'll spend that $130 on something else. Cancel order. This is a Vanguard. This is the oil sectors ETF provided by Van Heck. I'm not sure if it's canceling it or not. It's kind of weird. You see, guys, I'm pressing cancel order. Okay, so I got to check about on it later. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and buy $130 worth of Vanguard S&P 500 Growth ETF once that cancels. So I'll just have to keep an eye on that. But that'll pretty much sum up the video. Those are my buys for the day. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you want to take a look at any of the tickers that I bought and do your own due diligence, see if it's something you want to get into, go feel free to. As well as look at the crypto coins and tokens that I own as well. And see if it's something you want to invest in. I encourage everybody to invest. Don't let your money be stagnant. Put your money to work. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell, follow my journey. I'll catch you in the next one.